Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact support on WhatsApp Business. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the WhatsApp Business application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. Or guys, if you do not know how to do it, or you do not know how to link your profile, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how-to videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the WhatsApp application, and in the bottom we have the updates, we have the calls, we have the tools, we have the chats, and in the end we have the settings option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact the support on WhatsApp Business. Well, to do so guys, it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So the first thing that you of course need to do guys is go to the settings option, which is the fifth option and the last here in this row. Click on the settings option, and here guys, as you can see on the bottom we have invite a contact, and underneath that we have help. Well, you need to go and click on the help option, and you can see WhatsApp Business, Help Center, Terms, Channels Report, License. You have all those options. What you need to click, of course, is the Help Center, and you'll get to the contact support. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us guys in making our channel grow. And if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could go and do this. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.